Invention of the gym. The first commercial gym is typically credited to French gymnast and vaudeville strongman Hippolyte Taite. He opened his first club in Brussels and then added a second in Paris in the late 1840s. Originally known as Raghuveer Vyayam Mandal, the gym was established on a piece of land called India in 1931 by Sriramulu Naidu. Actor producer Arbaj Khan claims that his brother Salman Khan is the person behind the trend of gyms. Salman is the one who actually started the gym culture in India. Zumba dance. Invention of Zumba dance. Zumba was created by a choreographer and fitness instructor Albert Beto Perez in the mid 1990s. Zumba is the largest branded fitness program in the world, created by a Colombia dancer, Beto Perez. He was started in 1999 with little money. Now it became an international phenomenon. It is America's fastest growing fitness trend, spanning more than 20,000 instructors. Uses of Zumba are great for weight loss, tunes your entire body, boosts your heart health, helps you de-stress, improves coordination, and makes you happy. Invention of the mouse. Douglas Engelbart invented the computer mouse in 1963 to 1964 as a part of an experiment to find a better way to point and click on a display screen. Engineers at Germany's Telefunken also invented a mouse in the mid 1960s. The name mouse was coined at the Stanford Research Institute. A surface independent coherent light optical mouse design was patented by Stephen B. Jackson at Xerox in 1988. The first real mouse was invented in 1964 at Stanford University. Invention of keyboard. Christopher Latham Scholes was an American inventor who invented the QWERTY keyboard along with Samuel W. Invented on July 1st, 1874 and 142 years ago from today. Soon after, in 1877, the Remington Company began mass marketing the first typewriters. The Hydraulis was the world's first keyboard instrument. First computer keyboards were adopted from the punch card and teletype equipment.